Today we shall discuss the third problem. Draw the electrical network based on torque current analogy and give all the performance equation for the figure. This is the given figure diagram. We need to draw the electrical network. Okay. First, draw the rotational system. For theta 1, what are the elements are connected? Torque, J1, B1 and K1. For theta 1, you can see for theta 1, T, J1, B1 and K1 is connected. For theta 2, K1, J2, B2. Okay, you can see the diagram. For theta 2, between theta 1 and theta 2, K1 is connected. So, draw between theta 1 and theta 2, K1. Okay. Next, for K2, J2 is connected, B2 is connected. Next, K2 is between theta 2 and theta 3. Same, K2 is between theta 2 and theta 3. For theta 3, J3 and B3 is connected. Draw the theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. It is a rotational system. They will be given in the form of diagram. We need to make it as mechanical system, rotational system. We should analyze the diagram for theta 1, what are the elements are connected. For theta 2, what are the elements are connected. For theta 3, what are the elements are connected. Okay, we need to draw again. Next, by analyzing, draw the diagram. Okay, I have given in the solution. See the diagram. Write the equations. There are three displacements, that is theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Then you will get three equations. First we shall consider for theta 1. Okay, T is equal to, they have given the torque. T is equal to J1 d square theta 1 divided by dt square plus B1 d theta 1 divided by dt plus K1 open bracket theta 1 minus theta 2 close bracket. That is first equation. We are considering for only theta 1. What are the elements connected for theta 1? Okay. Next we shall write for the equation theta 2. Okay, what are the elements connected for theta 2? We don't have torque for theta 2. So 0 is equal to K1 open bracket theta 2 minus theta 1, because we are writing the equation for theta 2. So okay, K1 open bracket theta 2 minus theta 1 close bracket plus J2 d square theta 2 divided by dt square plus B2 d theta 2 divided by dt plus K2 open bracket theta 2 minus theta 3 close bracket. Next we are writing the equation for theta 3. We don't have torque here. So 0 is equal to K2 open bracket theta 3 minus theta 2 close bracket plus J3 d square theta 3 divided by dt square plus B3 d theta 3 divided by dt. This is the three equation for three displacement. Next, you need to convert the torque to current analogy. They have asked in the question torque to current analogy. Okay, we will replace the elements. Okay, after replacing, you'll get the equation 1 as I is equal to C1 dV1 divided by dt plus V1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by L1 integration of open bracket V1 minus V2 close bracket dt. Next, for equation 2, 0 is equal to 1 divided by L1 integration of open bracket V2 minus V1 close bracket dt plus C2 d V2 divided by dt plus V2 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by L2 integration of V2 minus V3 into dt. For equation 3, 0 is equal to 1 by L2 integration of V open bracket V3 minus V2 close bracket dt plus C3 dV3 divided by dt plus V3 divided by R3. That is what 3 equation we have converted. Now talk to current analogy. Okay. Now draw the electrical network. Okay. According to the equation, okay, you can see the diagram solution starting have done. Instead of theta 1, you need to replace V1. Okay, V1, V2, V3. Instead of K1, L1. Okay, or instead of K1, 1 by L. Okay, instead of K1, 1 by L1. Instead of K2, 1 by L2. Instead of J1, you need to write C1. Instead of B1, R1. Same. Okay, instead of J we will write C, instead of B we will write R, instead of K 1 by L. Okay, I have written write L, you need to write 1 by L. Okay, instead of torque I have written current. Okay, next problem. For a mechanical system shown in figure, obtain force voltage analogous electrical network. This is a given diagram. First you convert that diagram, okay, to analyze and to write the equations. If we draw the another diagram, then it will be easy. Okay, that diagram, by seeing that diagram you can write the formulas, you can write the equations easily. Okay, first write the diagram, next you write the equations. Okay, for x1 what are the elements connected? For x1, f, m1, b1 and k3 and k1, b2. You can observe here between x1 and x2, k1 and b2 both are connected. Okay, first write the equation for x1. F is equal to m1 d square x1 divided by dt square plus b1 dx1 divided by dt plus k3 x1 plus k1 open bracket x1 minus x2 close bracket plus b2 dx1 minus x2 close bracket divided by dt. We have written the equation for x1. Now write equation for x2. Okay, what are the elements connected for x2? Whether there is a force? No. So 0 is equal to k1 open bracket x2 minus x1 close bracket plus b2 d open bracket x1 minus x2 close bracket divided by dt plus m2 d square x2 divided by dt square plus k2 x2 plus b3 dx2 divided by dt. Okay, now convert the force to voltage analogy. Okay, write the first equation. V is equal to, we have converting force to voltage, so instead of force we will write voltage. V is equal to L1 di by dt plus R1 I1 plus 1 divided by C3 integration of I1 dt plus 1 divided by C1 integration of open bracket I1 minus I2 close bracket dt plus R2 open bracket I1 minus I2 close bracket. This is the first equation. For second equation, 0 is equal to 1 divided by C1 integration of I2 minus I1 dt plus R2 open bracket I2 minus I1 close bracket plus L2 di2 divided by dt plus 1 by C2 integration of I2 dt plus R3 I2. Now draw the electrical circuit. Okay, for force voltage analogy, remember there will be the elements of the electrical network will be in the form of loops. Okay, L1 R1 and L1 R C3, that is in the series. Okay, K1 and B2, it is in between X1 and X2, that means loop 1 and loop 2. It is in between loop 1 and loop 2. That means K1, after replacing K1, instead of K1, what we will write? C1 or 1 by C1. Okay. Instead of B2, we will write R2. Okay. Right, I have written C1, you need to write 1 by C1. C3, instead of C3, 1 by C3. Instead of C2, 1 by C2. Okay. This is the electrical network. Next we shall go for the another problem. Draw the force voltage analogy and force current analogy circuits for the mechanical system shown in figure with the necessary equations. This is the diagram they have given. Next year you need to draw the another diagram, that is you need to draw the physical system equivalent mechanical system. Okay, you draw the equivalent mechanical system for the given diagram. For x1 what are the elements are connected, for x2 what are the elements are connected, for x3 what are the elements are connected. You need to observe and draw the equivalent mechanical system. Next, write the equation. How many displacement are there? X1, X2, X3. So you'll get the three equations. F of t is for x1. We shall write the equation f of t is equal to m1 d square x1 divided by dt square plus b1 dx1 divided by dt plus k1 open bracket x1 minus x2 close bracket plus b3 d open bracket x1 minus x2 close bracket divided by dt. For x2 we shall write a equation. We don't have force for x2 separately, so 0 is equal to k1 open bracket x2 minus x1 close bracket plus m2 d square x2 divided by dt square plus b2 dx2 divided by dt plus k2 x2 plus k3 open bracket x2 minus x3 close bracket. Next you write the equation for x3. For x3 we don't have force, so 0 is equal to k3 open bracket x3 minus x2 close bracket plus b3 d open bracket x3 minus x1 close bracket divided by dt. Force voltage analogy. Convert the three equations into force voltage analogy. Instead of force we will write V, instead of B R, instead of K 1 by C, instead of X we will write Q, or instead of dx by dt I, instead of X integration of I, instead of d square x divided by dt square we will write di by dt. That is what replacement in force voltage analogy. V of t, for first equation V of t is equal to L1 di1 divided by dt plus R1 I1 plus 1 by C1 integration of open bracket I1 minus I2 close bracket dt plus R3 open bracket I1 minus I3 close bracket. For second equation, 0 is equal to 1 divided by C1 integration of open bracket I2 minus I1 close bracket dt plus L2 di2 divided by dt plus R2 I2 plus 1 by C2 integration of I2 dt plus I 1 divided by C3 integration of I2 minus I3 dt. For third equation, 0 is equal to 1 divided by C3 integration of I3 minus I2 into dt plus R3 open bracket I3 minus I1 close bracket. For that we need to draw the electrical circuit. Okay, draw the electrical circuit. There are three displacement, that means you'll get the three loops. Okay, for first loop you'll get resistance R3, C1 is in middle, for it is connected for both loops. You can observe equation 1 divided by C1 integration of I1 minus I2, that means it is related for both loops. Okay, next for R3 you can see I1 minus I3. I1 first loop, I3 is third loop, that means R3 is connected for first loop and third loop. Okay, next you can see that L1 R1 is connected for first loop only. Next for second equation, if you see 1 by C1, I have said already I2 minus I1, that is connected for both loop I1 and I2 loop. Okay, next you can see C3. Okay, I2 minus I3, that means it is connected for I2 loop and I3 loop. Okay, next if we go for the third equation, C3 already we have written, and R3 also we have already written. That means R3 and C3 is connected for third loop. Okay, what about input? Instead of V of t, we will write input is V of t, that is the force. Okay, that is the voltage. If we are converting force to voltage analogy, next you convert to force current analogy. Okay, write three equations. I of t is equal to, instead of L we will write here C, instead of C we will write L. Okay, like that it will be I of t is equal to C1 dV1 divided by dt plus 1 by R1 V1 plus 1 by L1 integration of V1 minus V2 dt plus 1 by R3 open bracket V1 minus V3. Instead of what we have converted in force voltage analogy, opposite to that we will write V of t. If it is V of t, then we will write I of t. Instead of inductance we will write capacitance. Instead of R, 1 by R. Instead of 1 by C we will write 1 by L, and instead of I we will write voltage. Instead of R, 1 by R. Okay, like that we will be writing for force voltage, force current analogy. Okay, write the three equations and draw the diagram, electrical network. Okay, that means here three node V1, V2, V3. Okay, for V1 what are the elements connected, and for V2 what are the elements connected, draw the electrical network.